By the way, have you ever heard of the All Blue?
Nuh-uh.
You're kidding me. What kind of pirate are you? That sea is a genuine miracle. It has it all.
We're not done yet! Our journey isn't over! I'm staying right here and I'm not moving an inch! I'm gonna keep waiting for you to come back! And if you leave me here, I'll just starve to death! You're my chef! No one else can take your place! You better come back, you hear me? No matter what! I need you on my crew, Sanji! Without you! Without you! I'll never be king of the pirates!